Unless you're very lucky or using a specialty lens, when shooting an object that has straight lines, like a poster for example, you'll often end up with a bit of distortion and your lines won't be perfectly straight. Lightroom has a panel called Transform to help correct this. As the notice says at the bottom of the Transform panel, it's a good idea to turn on lens corrections before using this function. While there are several sections in the Transform panel, the two options I generally use are either Auto or Guided. Let's try Auto here. As you can see, it made a slight difference, however it did not fix the image on this occasion. Let's move to the Guided mode and see what we can get. To use the Guided mode, draw two horizontal lines along the top and bottom portion of the image. Then, draw two vertical lines across the left and right part of the image using your subject as a guide. Once you've done this, Lightroom should be able to correct your image and give you nice, straight, square lines. You can always go back and adjust your lines if you didn't quite get the result you desired. This tool can be fantastic for posters on walls like in this example here, or it can also be used on getting straight lines in architecture. Be mindful, however, that if your distortion is too great, then Lightroom will not be able to fix the photo in all instances.